Welcome to Venezuela, a land where breathtaking landscapes meet vibrant culture and resilient spirit. From the bustling streets of Caracas to the serene Caribbean beaches and the majestic Andes Mountains, Venezuela's beauty is as diverse as its people. Let's dive into the heart of its cities. The streets are alive with the colors of colonial houses, the buzz of local markets, and the rhythm of daily life. And at the center of it all are the Venezuelan women, walking with a confidence and grace that's truly captivating. Education is a cornerstone of their strength. In universities across the country, young women are pursuing their dreams, filling classrooms and campuses with ambition and intelligence. They are the future doctors, engineers, and leaders of Venezuela. This drive extends into the professional world. You'll find Venezuelan women excelling in every field, from corporate offices and bustling shops to the hospitality industry. Many are carving their own paths as entrepreneurs, contributing to the economy with creativity and determination. But to truly know Venezuela, you must experience its traditions. The Joropo dance, with its fast-paced footwork and beautiful folklore dresses, tells the story of the nation's soul. Festivals burst with music, color, and a sense of community that's deeply ingrained. And what's a culture without its food? The kitchen is often the heart of the Venezuelan home. Women masterfully prepare iconic dishes like arepas. The aroma alone tells a story of heritage and love. There's nothing quite like a Venezuelan family meal, a warm, lively gathering filled with laughter and connection. Beyond tradition, modern Venezuela is a hub of style and fashion. Venezuelan women have an innate sense of elegance, effortlessly blending contemporary trends with their own unique flair. Whether it's a casual day out or a glamorous evening event, their style is always on point. Social life is just as vibrant. Friends gather at chic cafes, relax in lush green parks, or soak up the sun on stunning beaches. It's a culture that values connection and cherishes moments spent together. When the sun goes down, the energy transforms. The nightlife is electric, with neon lights, infectious music, and a passion for dance that keeps the cities alive until dawn. But amidst all the energy, there's also a deep appreciation for tranquility. Many find peace in nature, enjoying a quiet sunset on the beach or marveling at the power of a cascading waterfall like Angel Falls. It's a reminder of the natural wonders that frame their dynamic lives. Venezuela is a country of contrasts and complexities, but its essence is one of beauty, strength, and unwavering optimism. From its rich cultural heritage and delicious cuisine, to the modern, educated, and stylish women who are shaping its future, this is a nation with a story worth telling. Thanks for joining us on this journey. If you were inspired by the vibrant spirit of Venezuela, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more cultural explorations. Until next time.